Hello my friends, I'm cooking chicken leg pieces today and I'm cooking with the skin, but you can remove the skin if you don't like. Now let's start the procedure. For a spoon of cooking oil, 1 medium size of onion. Let's fry the onions for a little bit. Now let's add the chicken. Now let's fry the chicken with the oil and onions. Smells nice. Now let's add the spices in. 1 spoon of garlic powder. If you have a fresh garlic, you can put that too. 1 bay leaf. Mixed spices is garam masala. Turmeric 1 spoon. Salt to taste. Some ground coriander seeds. Little bit red chili. Now let's mix everything. Smells very nice. Now time to add tomatoes and put 2 spoons of yogurt. Now let's mix. Now let's cook everything for 20 minutes on a low flame. Wow. So our chicken is ready. Hey friends, I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe of bread, chicken and cheese together. 2 big spoons of all-purpose flour, salt with the milk, and we need 600 ml milk, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now let's add the flour inside and start mixing. You can see our cream is getting thick and is boiling too. Turn off the fire and now let's add the grated cheese 1 spoon. Let's keep mixing. Add salt to taste and add some black pepper. Now let's put the butter on pan. After the butter, let's add the first layer of bread. Let's put the cream on top and spread the cream on bread. Now let's add the shredded chicken. After chicken layer, I add another bread layer and the cream. Now we need 4 eggs, mixed with heavy cream. Now let's add mozzarella cheese on top. Hello my friends, I am making a panini sandwich and for this I am using chicken and a mozzarella cheese. So friends, I am using Italian bread, some pieces of tomatoes. So now let's make the paste first. For paste I am using mayonnaise and ketchup. Let's add some mayonnaise and ketchup on top. Let's mix your paste and put some oregano. Now let's spread the paste on the bread. Now let's add the chicken and add your cheese. Make a layer of tomatoes on top. Put some little bit more chicken on top. Now let's add some butter on top. Now it's time to put in the grill. Now let's press your grill. So our panini sandwich is ready. Try it, love it, it's amazing.